Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Welcome to the video, welcome to the channel. We're doing another walking bass line in E this time, and it sounds like this. Okay, so what we're doing is we're playing a 12 bar in E, and we're adding a walking bass line in, and that's it. Okay, that's what we're doing. We're adding a walking bass line. Sorry, I've been doing this all afternoon and I'm tired. Let's have a look at the notes. That's the notes. So this is when we're playing over the E chord. And you can do the same thing effectively over the A chord. You just shift everything up one string, up one string. So let's imagine someone's holding down the rhythm. Either in real life or in your head. And then you're going to play this collection of notes over the thing, and it sounds like this. Now, sorry, before I start, let's explain. I'm going to use my first finger, I'm going to put it on the second fret on the A, and I'm going to leave it there. And then I'm just going to pluck all the other notes with my right hand, but I'm just going to try and stay anchored, okay? So we're going to go 0 on the E, and then straight up to the 4 on the E. And then I'm jumping to the second fret on the A, 4th on the A, then 5th, then back to the A, and then back to the 2. So back to the 4, then back to the 2. Okay, you've heard that a million times, I'm sure. So you can play it really slowly in the beginning or really fast when you're good. And something else you can do, if you want to, you can kind of just be quite free with your right hand and just really just keep on plucking those two strings, the E and the A string, just all the way through. And it'll sound like this. And you get the root note, the E, ringing through all the way through. So if you don't have a rhythm player doing the chords for you, you can just sound a bit more full yourself. So what we're going to do, we'll go back to our notes here. Now when we want to comp over the A chord, all you're doing is you're just moving the whole thing up one string. So that's going to go up to there, that's going to go up to there, yeah, that's going to go there. So it's really hard writing sideways. You see, everything's just moved up. You're just moving everything up, and now it's going to fit over the A chord. Same thing again, I'm going to anchor my first finger on the second on the D now, and I'm going to go. So when we're on the A chord, you can just be doing that, and the same thing again if you want, and this time just strumming away in the A and the D, just. It's probably a bit of a workout for the fingers, but that's good. Okay, you're really doing some good stretching there, and like I say, I like to keep my first finger anchored there on the second fret so I don't get all out of position. And so on and so on. I haven't included the walking bass line to go over the B or the B7, just because I haven't, it's just too hard. Anyway, I hope that's given you an idea to get started on walking bass lines. If you have any questions, shoot me a message. Alright, take care now. Bye.